Hey beauties, if you want to see how I turn this costume wig into this realistic looking fro, stay tuned.
So you think about a chance, you find yourself trying to do my dance, maybe cause you love me. You do well. So then we try.
I don't hate this wig on me, but I definitely feel like it needed some work, and I'm going to do that with some good old perm rods.
I knew I wasn't there and I was gonna tear your ass up. Yeah, I know that I'm carrying.
There are no clips in this wig, only adjustable straps, so be careful with this one, ladies.
No, I want you back. I'm ready to bet it on unless you care.
So I'm just sectioning the hair and beginning to put in the perm rods. I knew I wanted the front to be more defined, which is why I used the gray ones. I do suggest you comb out the hair before adding the rods just because it makes the separation part after you take out the perm rods so much easier. And I am twisting the hair as I put it around the perm rod, just like a normal perm rod set. If you do it flat, you will have a different curl pattern once you take them out, so make sure that you're twisting as you wrap it around the perm rod. I'm using 3 different size perm rods for this style, but I recommend using the gray ones just because they have so much more grip than the other 2. Also, I highly recommend that you do as small of sections as possible because I feel like the bigger that I did the sections, the worse the ends were, versus when I did smaller sections like in the front. Here I'm just showing you how I add the bobby pins to the perm rod so that the hair stays in place. If the bottom part won't go in because the bobby pin is too big, you can also slide the pins through the last hole on the rod, which is like the vent holes, which kind of sounds a little gross. You can slide the last, I don't know. Comment down below if you also take snack breaks while you're doing your hair. I kid you not, I was doing this for less than 20 minutes and I was like, yeah, I'm hungry. But these Trader Joe's strawberries, guys, so freaking good. Just so you guys know, I do follow the circular pattern of the wig when putting in the perm rods, just so that the hair will fall naturally into an afro. When I get to the top, I put the perm rod directly in the middle and wrap the hair around it. I want to make sure that it actually falls in the right way to cover the middle of the hair. So I already have my water heated up, so I'm just going to put the hair in the bowl and lay down a towel. Then I'm going to pour the water on top of the hair. I didn't boil enough water, so I'm just going to swirl the hair around so that I know the water has gotten in every strand. Then I take it out, put it on a towel to cool and wait for it to dry. To get mine to dry quickly, I put it in front of an open window for the day.
Kick down your doors and slap your chip. Just to show you I'm not gonna have it.
And by the time I was ready to record the rest of this video, it was dry.
Yeah.
In case any of you guys wanted to see what it looked like if I had done a 2-strand twist, then put on the perm rod, I did that for you and a little bit for myself because I wanted to see what it would look like. I do like the way it looks, and I feel like it would be just as good as the regular perm rod set, but let me know what you guys think below. If you want me to do a video like that, just let me know down below and I will definitely do that for you guys. Once you have all of the perm rods out, you can begin to pull the curls out. Now, you want to be as careful as possible because, you know, synthetic hair does not like to be touched. So when fluffing out the curls, I'm super gentle, even though it looks like I'm manhandling them, but it's just because it's sped up. But if they don't want to separate, just fluff them out from the root. So at least it has some sort of volume and kind of holds its shape. Now for the good part, to see what it looks like on. When you use a pick, make sure that you're not going through the hair or combing through the hair, but rather just fluffing at the roots. Okay, guys? Also, I didn't cut the wig yet because I wanted to go back in and fix the looser curls, and I didn't want to make it uneven before I did this. So don't come for me. I know some of those back curls are looking a little crazy. I know. I see it, girls. Y'all, I have to talk to you because this honey, I did that. Y'all, tell me you are not loving this. This is gonna be my new hair for the summer. Everybody gonna think this is mine. I mean, regardless of like the scratchy sound that it makes, because it's synthetic. That's about it. Free tris, y'all did that. Well, if y'all had like a bigger one, I'd be here for that, because that would be beautiful. Free tris, do that. And when you do it, hook your girl up, because I'll make it pop. Period. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you thumbs this video up. Make sure you share, like, all that good stuff. Comment below on your thoughts on this wig. Let me know if you try this. If you try this, please, 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 please send me pictures. Hit me up on Instagram like, hey girl, I did this and it looks bomb. All that good stuff. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I've been down so